Good morning, everyone. My name is Joy Vivian Buscano, and today I'm going to report Chapter 5, Structural System and Building, which is the roofing. Roofing. Roofs take everything fully faced toward the sky. They catch the branch of weather's worst. They have to be able to take the leaking and keep from leaking. They must be weathertight, secure, durable, attractive, and elastic enough to withstand severe temperature shift without cracking. So we all know that roof is one of the most important parts of the house or any structures because roof is your first line of defense against harmful elements or any nature events. Your roof can be also a major factor in your energy efficiency and overall comfort of your home. So without roof, that is very unhealthy. That is because minitan ka, maulanan ka. The roof is the highest part of every building. Its main task is to cover the house and protect each interior against the unfavorable weather condition. Of the shape of the roofs is very often designed according to the climate conditions in which the house will be located. So nakadepende siya kung na mga lugar na kusog og hangin, kusog ang ulan, perminti maagyan og bagyo, so nakadepende siya. That's why you need to be or it must be a weather tight and ang ginang kagainan na secure, durable, and siya elastic enough to withstand severe temperature para to protect you from any natural events. So it provides structural support that keeps the entire house or the structure together. Without a roof, many things like lighting, electrical wiring, and interior design would not be able to happen in your home or any structure. Kay syempre wala ka makabitan. So kung walay roof, wala pud kay makabitan or wala ka mataguan sa mga wire or unsa ba dara. Structural support is essential for every home kaya ganito muna ko sa kagainan na kailangan siya og support pod para di maano dili somewhat dili ma-burden gud ang mga balay kung mag-roof ka kay nakadepende sa load or nakadepende kung gaano kabigat ang yung roof and over the centuries, roof building techniques have been refined to yield roofs of considerable strength and durability. A wide variety of materials has been developed that will last many years in some cases, as long as the house. And homeowners have a vast selection of materials, color, prices, and other features from which to choose. A contemporary roofs, regardless the shape or surface materials, consist of variety of components that include wood framing, sheeting, underlayment, flashing, gutter, and of course the shingles or other finished surface. So we have many types of roof we choose. Of course, we are not only choosing by looks or the appearance of the roof, but also consider the strength and durability. Over the centuries, ilang ginagamit for roof is that made from a wide variety of substance including animal parts, woods, rocks, and clay. So kaning rocks and clay, what the most popular or common na ginagamit during the past centuries. Then, in early civilization, the roofs were made with various combination of bricks. So dali na ang bricks, woods, and mud reinforced. But today, the best roofing materials for most residential structures sa mga balay that emphasize longevity are composite shingles, standing stream metals, and built up na mga roofing or roofs. Wood shingles and shake roofing add natural beauty to the home. Clay or cement tiles roofing can last 50 to 100 years. A well-designed and properly installed roof effectively prevents water infiltration, protects against leak, and keeps the interior of the building dry and safe. It also helps to regulate temperature and minimize moisture build-up, reducing the risk of the structural damage, corrosion, and mold growth. So, kailangan jud na ang structure or pagka-build up sa structure dapat kay ano gid siya ng standard para maging pragmalay siya sa mga damage or mga mold growth ana. So diri sa basics of buildings a roof system, diri pod siya magkatong gingan kagaya diri pod ni makita. A common misunderstanding in roofs is that the shingles is most important part when in reality each part of the system is equally important since you cannot see all the components. This is where many contractors cut corners to offer the cheap prices at Tatal Contracting. We not only strive to provide superior service but also to install a premium roof, never cutting corners and using premium grade products. So ang iban kay usahay kung magpatayo kag balay kanang nakadepende po sa budget kung unsa kanindot or unsa kalig-on ang imong roof but in reality jud kailangan standard and na high strength and durability para iwas danger. The roof is one of the most important parts of the building because it helps to achieve architectural stability. It protects the building from the elements and keep from interior dry and safe. There are many different types of roofs and each each one of its own unique set of benefits. So nakadepende siya sa types and kanang kung unsay mohang makuha sa imong roofs kung halimbawa kung stable siya o kanang iyang support o kanang mga durable pati strength niya is good. So mas more ano siya convenient, mas maglast iyang mas maglast good siya compared sa kanang magtipid ka kay kulang yung budget. So dili na siya dili ko siya anang tawagan ay dili siya convenient ba. So need siya kuan kanang standard. After the roof is removed, new underlayment must be installed over the sheeting. The underlayment should be attached to the roof using plastic cups, nails, and each course should overlap the next by 3 to 4 inches. As with shingles, there is a variety of types of underlayment to choose from. 4-year star saturated felt paper, commonly called felt or tar paper, has been standard in roofing underlayment and is still the most used product today. In cold weather climates, an ice barrier is needed in addition to the underlayment. An ice barrier does what standard underlayment doesn't because it has an adhesive backing that adheres to the sheeting and creates a watertight cell. Local codes requirements will dictate the necessity of having an ice barrier, but simply stated, it is only needed if snow and ice commonly accumulate on the roof nearby, creating the possibility of ice damming. Ice damming occurs when ice builds up along the edge of the roof, making it possible for water to backflow under the shingles and into the house. So, kung ingon ako ganina na, your roof is depend kung asa siya nakalocate. So, nakadepende jud na siya sa mga weather, sa kung saan na climate ang agyan gud niya. Once the proper underlayment has been installed, all vent and pipes jack should be installed, or with the exemption of ridge vent, which is put on after the shingles. While there are a variety of options, all of the vents and pipes jack are specially designed to cover and protect penetration through the roof, but that doesn't make all vents equal. At this point, you could say that roofing surface has been preferred and you are now ready to begin insulating and shingles. The shingles will be installed from bottom up and will follow the repeating diagonal pattern with a staggered joint pattern. Each shingles must be properly nailed along the dest 162 of 233, the nails penetrating at least 4 through the decking. When done to detailed, it will result in a waterproof that is both functional and cosmetical appealing. Once the proper underlayment has been installed, all vent and pipes jack must be installed, or with the exemption of bridge vent, with which is put on after the shingles. While there are a variety of options, all of the vents and pipes jack are specially designed to cover and protect penetration through the roof, but that doesn't make all vents equal. The total constructing of roofs is not considered to finish until all the little details are complete. All fixtures on the roof will be painted to bend and match with the color of the roof you have chosen. The roof will be blown off, the gutter will be cleaned out, and the roof will receive a final inspection by both the crew leaders. On the ground, everything will be picked up and transported off your property. Care will be taken to protect and clean around sensitive areas, such as flower beds. Hard surfaces will be swept and or blown off. The loan will be raked and pick up the little pieces as well as the large ones, and large magnets will be used to ensure nails are not left around your home. So this is the process uh, on how the basic roofing. The roofing system is much more complex with the materials and engineering than most people give it credit for. Different components all work together to keep your home safe from the weather, elements, and even some man-made harm. One of the most important aspect of the roofing is the roof covering. So later on, madiscuss na to ang roof covering, roof deck, mga inana. So let's proceed. So next is roof covering. Roof covering is what most people think of when someone says the roof. While the roofing system is composed of several components, the roof covering is the most visual part of the whole system and make up the majority of waterproofing and protection. Selection of a proper roof covering is one of the most important aspect of getting your roof redone. So roof covering means the roofing materials exposed to the weather. So mo ni siya ang atong makita sa mga balay karang babaw jud na makita nato mo na siya ang roof covering exposed sa weather kanang maulanan, mainitan, ano siya. The underlayment applied for moisture protection and all flashing required in the replacement of a roof. Kanang according to Slater Young, charot. Pero nakita na ko tong vlog nila, ilang balay is glass, di ba to? Then ilang roof, ay dili, kanang nabagyuhan sila. Then na-realize nila na kanang ang impact sa tubig sa ulan sa mga kahoy na nalagpo sa ilang roof is kanang sa sulod ba silang balay is saba siya ba. So nakadepende na siya imong roof, nakadepende kung paano nimo siya i-design, paano nimo himuon imuhang or paano nimo siya i-construct. So nakadepende siya kay katong ang ilang balay is that gibutin nila og something cover para inag kung mag ulan or anything na disaster, dili gud kayo siya murag soundproof ba, pero soundproof pero mas more kanang ligon ang ilang roof ana. So but some cases kanang ano pod kanang ilang ginagamit is roof singles. Singles are held by the roof rough first and are made of various materials such as wood, slate, flagstone, metal, plastic, and composite materials such as fiber cement and asphalt shingles. Ceramic roof tiles, which still dominate in Europe and some part of Asia, are still usually used at cold tiles. So types of roofing materials. Roofs have been around ever since humans started living in a shelter. So you can imagine there are several different types of roof covering available all around the world. The most popular roof covering in the entire world is roofing tiles. While here in the United States, asphalt shingles dominate the market. These are the two of the most popular roof covering. Other popular materials include slate tiles, metal roofing, wood, shake, and even green roofs is certain parts of the world. So roof decking. The roof deck is roofing materials between the structure component, the trusses and joints, and the insulation and weatherproofing layers. Roof materials, coating layers, and etc. In short, the roof deck is the section of the roof into which everything else is placed. As it needs to be strong enough to hold the weight and durable enough to cope with some give. So sometimes daghan kay kag mga live load na ibutang, so dapat maka-resist siya sa kabugaton para dili mag bar down or ngana. So dapat strong enough gid siya. Types of deck materials include steel, concrete, cement, and wood. The type of roof deck is used to depend on how much weight it needs to carry, which further depends on the roofing materials selected. Other factors include the weight of the air conditioning equipment, rain or rain and snow. Special features such as walking decks, rooftops, swimming pools, and bar will also need extra support. So kailangan jud na to makarry ang mga load na ginabutang para ingana ko kagay na dili mag-bar down. So need jud siya maka-resist. Dapat grabe jud imong dapat standard jud siya kung maka-resist ba ana. So, roof decking is a part of the roof that closes the structure while ensuring its solidity. Dapat solid siya. It is located exactly between the structure and membrane that will cover the roof. So, for the rest, ay kung ano di ay kung nagalibog di ay, di ba ang ba nagalibog sa rooftop and roof deck? So, all roof decks are rooftops, but not all rooftops are roof decks. Roof decks are one of the type of rooftop. Isa siya sa type sa rooftop. But there are many more types of rooftops are not roof decks. So, daghan og types sa rooftop na dili pod roof deck. For example, gabbled heap and mansard are unsuitable for decks. Even flat roof isn't necessarily a deck. So for the residential buildings, the most common type of the roof deck is plywood or tang and grove wood system would generally stand up to the weight of almost many types of roofing materials placed on top. Although tiles may require extra reinforcement. For commercial or industrial buildings, steel, concrete, or cement are more frequently chosen roof deck materials. That is because the large structures tend to span more distance and carry more weight in equipment on the roof, including conditioning, air circulation, pumps, etc. Since the equipment must be serviced frequently, the roof deck has to be able to take the weight of maintenance personnel on the roof of the regular basis as well as everything the element can throw at it. In all cases, the professional roofing expert should be used to install the roof deck. Since the roof deck or the deck must hold the weight of everything else, improper installation can be dangerous. So, kung di siya proper na pagkabuhat or pagkabutang or unsa ba dira, kay magtambak jud siya sa danger. So, dapat jud strength, durability, stability, na jud sa ingana na bagay. Na jud sa imuhang structure para iwas sa danger. So, in addition, a professional roofer has the expertise to select the proper deck materials to hold the load of your roofing materials and the various system and components that is operate from the roof. So, need jud nimo siya maging stable ba para ang load maka-resist gud siya. Kay kanang makita ko na to sa Facebook nang wala pa gani siya nagabuhos pa lang gani na hugno na kay wala siya tarong na ano na kanang support ana. So, this ends my report. Thank you for listening. Bye.